Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Block Blast update field. If your update for Block Blast fields is usually due to storage or connectivity issues. So first of all, check if your device has enough free space for the update. Go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage and check if your mobile has enough storage. After that, large updates may fail without sufficient storage. Next, ensure your internet connection is strong and stable. Try connecting to the strongest network that you have so the app runs smoothly. Prefer Wi-Fi for large updates. On Android, go to your Play Store, My Apps, Block Blast, Clear Cache if the update won't start. On iPhone, sign out and back into the Apple Store if needed. Then restart your phone and try updating again. Most update failures are resolved this way, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.